Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start freelancing with Freelancer, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start freelancing with Freelancer, begin by visiting the Freelancer website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your details, including your email address and a password. Verify your email by checking your inbox for a confirmation link. Once verified, log in to your new account. Next, take a moment to complete your profile. Add a professional profile picture to make a strong first impression. Write a compelling bio that highlights your skills and experience. List the services you plan to offer and set your rates. Ensure your skills are accurately represented to attract potential clients. After your profile is complete, search for projects that interest you. Use filters to narrow down your search based on your expertise and preferred budget. Submit a proposal for the projects you want to bid on. Craft a personalized message that explains why you're the right fit for the job. Highlight relevant experience and include examples of previous work if possible. Make sure to set a competitive price while considering the project's requirements. Once your proposal is submitted, be patient while the client reviews applications. If you are selected, communicate clearly with the client to clarify project details. Once agreed upon, start working on the project and meet deadlines. Complete the work to the best of your ability and submit it for review. After submission, await the client's feedback and make any necessary adjustments. Once the project is approved, ensure you receive payment through the platform. Reflect on the experience and ask the client for a review to build your reputation. Continue to seek out new projects and repeat the process to grow your freelance business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.